Everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Vlogs. Today I'm coming back at you guys with another day in the life vlog for Vlogtober day number 2. It's going to be a busy work day. I am working on rebuilding up my Etsy shop, trying to get new stuff over there, trying to bulk up my inventory. It's going to be great. I'm also just going to take you guys along. I have stuff to do for my main YouTube channel, Ohio Valley Couponer. It's got a lot going on today, a busy work day, and I am taking you all along. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Up guys, today is Thursday, December the 29th. Y'all are seeing this on Tuesday, October 4th, the 4th, right? I think, of 2022. Anyway, it's Vlogtober day number 2, and I am back today vlogging for you guys, and today is going to be a busy work day in the life. So I know a lot of the vlogs, the days I pick to vlog are days where maybe I'm off of work, I don't have much work going on, so I take you guys along for more relaxed, fun days. Well, in Vlogtober, I want to really show you guys the true day-to-day stuff. And so a busy work day, that is stuff you're going to see during Vlogtober. Today's is going to be extra busy because I am really putting an emphasis today on working on my Etsy shop, OVC Designs. We are nearing our 1-year anniversary of the shop. Can't even believe I've had the shop for a year. On the shop, I sell a lot of like organizational stuff. My main thing that I sell over there are couponing wallets. So here's a prototype of the wallet, and this is definitely my best seller for sure. So this is the black wallet, and in here I have, you know, all the things. So I have these little wallet sleeves. You can organize your coupons out by category. You get these cards. It comes with a set of 18 cards. You can pick and choose which ones you want in. There's some blank cards. You can do your own stuff. Just things like that. And so this is one of my huge, like probably the biggest seller in the shop by far, hands down, are the coupon wallets. So I sell that, but I also sell a bunch of other things as well. I sell like meal planners. I sell little coupon envelopes if you don't want that huge wallet. I have a bunch of digital downloads, things like that. So in the beginning of the Etsy shop, it saw very, very wonderful success. It kept me super busy. I was getting so many orders. And you know, kind of as time has gone on, it has definitely slowed down tremendously. And so it's kind of not been that great in the last couple of months. And so I really want to put the time in to get, number one, new products so that there's new things for people to be interested in. And number two, I just want to do better at restocking and promoting my stuff that I already have. So that's kind of what the main emphasis I'm working on today is going to be, is rebuilding up the Etsy store, getting things made. I do like to be a made-to-order shop. So that means when you guys buy something, it's already made and ready to go. And so I really want to focus on making products today. I am going to be making some new product as well. I've been brainstorming this morning about some new stuff I want to make. I'm going to have a Christmas planner. So as we're nearing Christmas, you guys have the best way to organize, you know, your Christmas stuff, all that. Also, I want to make some cash envelopes. So I really want to work on that as well. So I got a lot of things in mind that I want to do, and I'm just going to take you guys along. So first up today, I do want to work on restocking my stuff and getting things made to order. So I've kind of made a little checklist here of what I want to do. So this is the restock list. So I'm going to start restocking before making new stuff. So I want to make 10 of my couponing haul planning worksheets. I want to make 10 of the meal planning grocery lists. I want to make 10 of the monthly calendar sets. This is basically just printing and laminating, which doesn't sound like it would take long, but it's a pretty big process. I want to make 10 of the My Coupon envelopes, which I'm going to show you guys the process of doing all this stuff. And then I also need to make 14 sets of the couponing wallet cards, which are the cards that go inside those wallets. So I have 14 wallets on hand, and I want to go through these. So I got yellow, black, clear, and blue. So I got quite a few still for people to pick up, and they're really, really nice wallets. Like, I love these wallets so much. So I want to work on these. So I'm going to get into prepping and printing, laminating, cutting with my paper cutter, all that fun stuff. And I'm just going to take you guys along for the ride. So let's get busy.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day today.
Okay, so update on Etsy. I got more stuff printing. I got the coupon wallet cards printing right now, and that is like over 70 pages. So we are looking at quite a bit of stuff coming through. But I actually want to give you an update on all the laminating stuff. So I got a ton of laminating done, pretty much all the monthly calendar pages except for 2, because 2 of them got messed up in the laminator. As you can see, this happens from time to time. The laminator will just goof up and it'll mess up. So these are unusable, obviously, so I'm putting those in the trash. So yes, but I ran out of laminating sheets, so I got to, that can't be done right now, so I got to go to Sam's Club and get some more of those. Pro tip, if you use a laminator, get your laminating pouches at Sam's Club. They are so much cheaper. Like at Walmart, 150 of the generic brand are almost 25 bucks. And at Sam's Club, you get 200 of the HP brand for under 20, which is such a better deal. So definitely get your laminating stuff at Sam's Club for sure. But yeah, so that's kind of what's up. Etsy's been going very, very well. I got all of my coupon envelopes cut, so when I get laminating sheets, just run them through the laminator and recut them out because they're laminated, and then they're done. Then all that these things need done, I got the couponing haul planning sheets and the grocery lists, just need laminated, then those are done. I got 10 of each of those. I got 10 of the my coupon pouches, and I have 5 sets of calendars. I got that done. Then I made an extra one because my grandma wanted one, so I made one for her. So I might do some more later. We'll see. It's not like I can't just remake them. And then I am printing a total of 15 sets of these, the coupon wallet cards. So I will just run these through the laminator and cut them out. So that will definitely take a very long time. Those take forever to do. So what I'll probably do is just end up doing that on its own day. So when you guys are seeing this, it's going to be Tuesday. I'm going to be starting off a big month-long sale here on my Etsy. Well, not a month-long, but almost all of October. It's going to be the anniversary sale. So I'm going to have several things on reduced prices. I am going to have some stuff on clearance that I just want to unload. I will have a few things. And then I also will have some coupon codes. Well, I have one coupon code that's valid for everything. So 10% off of everything. So everything in the shop, no matter if it's on sale, no matter what, you get an additional 10% off with the coupon code anniversary. So that will be awesome. So I'll have my coupon code. I'll have it flash up on the screen. And you totally want to take advantage of an extra 10% off of the already reduced sale prices. So basically I have from today, Thursday, through Monday night to get everything done for the Etsy shop. So that'll be awesome. I'm really, really excited. And of course, if I sell out of things, since it's a month-long sale, you guys can just, I'll just restock it and then you can order it after that. So that'll be good. But anyways, I am kind of just letting stuff print, let it do its thing. Also, I've been working on my Walmart video. So for my couponing channel, I do in-store videos almost every single day where I go in the store and I share products and what like deals you can get. So I've been working on all the legwork for that, getting the deals figured out, and then I have to do my end cards. So I put little end cards at the end of every deal to kind of recap everything easily, and people just can screenshot that on their phone. So I gotta do those. Then I gotta go to Walmart and film, and then I have a live stream tonight on my couponing channel at 7. So it's been a really, really busy day. So I'm actually just gonna pick up dinner tonight. I have a $10 certificate for a restaurant here called Roosters. It is really, really, really good. We ordered it several months ago. Like, I don't go there that much, but it's delicious. But we have a certificate. We did a takeout order and they messed something up. Like, they didn't give us all our stuff, so they just gave me a $10 like voucher to use. So I'm gonna go and just pick up something for dinner tonight, and that's gonna be really good. I'm gonna get it for pretty cheap since I have that voucher. And that's kind of what's up right now. So guys, that is what I'm doing, letting more stuff print, letting it do its thing. And I will take you guys along when we head out to Walmart. All right, guys, it is now 5:10 p.m. and I am sitting in the Walmart lot. I just got here, filmed my intro, did all that, called Roosters, and placed my order for carryout or whatever. They said about 30 minutes. So, gonna go into Walmart, get what I need to get done, and then I will head to Roosters. So, yeah, let's go in Walmart. Okay, so I want some good hot chocolate because we're getting into that time of the year where it's cold and hot chocolate just is so good. So, I'm looking at all the different kinds they have. They have Lucky Charm Marshmallows hot chocolate. Man, guys, I bet this is really, really, really good. And it's only $2.24, so that sounds good. And they also have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Man, they're coming up with all sorts of good ones. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give these a try. I know, guys, these aren't healthy, but especially during the seasonal time, we do really enjoy these for like desserts, the fall party cakes from Little Debbie. So I am gonna pick up a box. I know it seems like all I'm getting is junk, but we do got plenty of produce and stuff right now too. So you gotta have a little bit of splurging, right? Right. Okay. Health police, don't come after me. And I am gonna grab a thing of cardstock. It amazes me. When I first started the Etsy last year, this was like $6. Seriously, this was like $6. And now it's $8.67. Wow, I wish I could get this in bulk, but I haven't found it in a better deal in bulk, so I just get it here. But goodness, that is crazy. Guys, I seriously can't with these prices. That is mind-blowing, especially that cardstock. That cardstock literally used to be like $5.67, I think, and then it did eventually go up to $6.12, and I thought that was crazy, and now it's $8.67. Like, what on earth? It's mind-blowing to me. It truly is. It's mind-blowing every time I come to the store to see how things have gone up. It's crazy. It's so crazy. So we got Roosters here. We got 5 barbecue wings, so good, and just a salad, because I want to be healthy too, right? So instead of getting French fries, I got a salad, so that makes me feel better. So yeah, it's really good. It's a salad. It's got onion, tomato, croutons, cheese, and I added hard-boiled egg. After my gift certificate and with the tip, it was a little over $5, so not too shabby for dinner. So I totally underestimated how many prints I got. I actually think I printed 91 pages worth of wallet cards. So this will be fun to go through and cut all of these out. I got to laminate them and everything. Yeah, so this is the calendar, and the rest of these are all wallet cards. Look how thick that is. That's crazy. All right, guys, it is 8:19 p.m. Got done with my live a little bit ago, and oh my word, that was horrible. That went really, really bad, actually. Some of it was good, but it was pretty bad for a lot of it. So there was a weird, sick troll there. literally who just kept commenting vulgar things over and over and over. His screen name would be horrible, which why YouTube would even allow them to make such a horrible screen name, I don't know, but they just comment over and over and over, and then we block them, and then they just come back under another account, another sick name, and just do the same thing. It's like, wow. So that took up like a good 20 minutes of our live. It was crazy. They finally gave up, or I don't know what happened, but ran out of accounts. I don't know, but it was a crazy experience. But yeah, so that was it. I've not had that happen. I do lives, you know, every so often on my couponing channel. And that doesn't happen very much, so I don't know what was up with that. But we managed. We survived somehow. So I need to look into making some preventative stuff for next time. There's apparently some like subscriber only chat you can get, so I want to try to make sure I have that set for next time, because I don't want to deal with that ever again. That was really bad. Just sick, a sick person. But sadly, I literally told him like out loud, you need Jesus. That's what I told him, because he does. Like, nobody should talk like that, and if you can talk like that, you got some issues. So I literally straight told him that, like, you need Jesus. So anyways, that is today. Other than the live, it went really well. Got a lot of stuff prepared, getting ready for the big Etsy anniversary sale, which, remember, that's going on now when you guys are seeing it. Tomorrow I got to get to doing some more work for my Christmas planner. I want to make that to have that available to sell, and I need to cut, obviously finish laminating and cutting everything. So I got to go to Sam's Club and get more laminating sheets. But it's going to be awesome. I can't wait. I cannot wait. It's going to be great. So anyways, I'll be back tomorrow with another day of Vlogtober. Remember, we're vlogging every weekday, so I will be back 9 a.m. tomorrow, and oh my gosh, you're going to want to be here. I got a surprise. You're never going to guess what it is going to be. So come back tomorrow at 9 to see that. So anyways, that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.
Today and not tomorrow.